Hey, what's up, Daisy family? Jeremy here. Want to wish everyone happy holidays here, and super excited about everything that's going on. Hey, first of all, just want to make sure that you do not miss the December 3rd global update call. We're going to be in Dubai with about 20 of the top leaders in Daisy, planning out 2023, planning the I Told You So event in February, and we're going to do the call live from Dubai at 1 p.m. UTC time on December the 3rd with some very, very important announcements and updates that you're not going to want to miss. Right now, the momentum in Daisy is crazy. The Forex AI has just surpassed 320% since the launch in April. Momentum right now is at an all-time high with new members joining, with folks upgrading. We've made the transition from the cryptocurrency contributions to the Forex trading AI. So amazing things are happening right now. Incredible for performance actually happening right now on the crypto AI as well. So things are just hitting on all cylinders right now in the Daisy community. And guys, I can tell you this, we have seen a direct correlation between earning shares in the Achievers Pool and earning incredible income and seeing incredible momentum in your Daisy business. And so those Achiever shares are paying out thousands of dollars a month per share, and it's a permanent share. So by qualifying for the Achievers Pool, by helping one personal referral become a Pacesetter Gold in their first 30 days, or during a Pacesetter reset like we have right now, you earn a share in the Achievers Pool. And we're seeing the numbers. Those individuals that are leading by example, creating new Pacesetters in their personal enrollments, are seeing duplication and momentum in their organizations. They're maxing out the compensation plans and really seeing the payoff in their Daisy business. And so we're going to be doing massive recognition at this event for everyone who is earning shares in the Achievers Pool. This is where the fire is at right now. And we just want to congratulate all of the new Pacesetter Golds, all of the new Achievers Pool qualifiers. Incredible record momentum right now in Daisy. So we're going to close out the month of November strong. Can't wait to see everyone on our global update call on December 3rd, live from Dubai. We'll have more information and details coming soon.